Welcome to Ecom Premium and this quick tutorial on Chat GPT OpenAI, how you can draw text, how you can draw images, how you can get your course compiled, how you can get different embeddings like search, classify, and compare text, and how fine-tuning works, like train a model for your use case. So here we'll be looking at all these scenarios. For text completion, how it works, you have to simply go and click on playground, and in here you can see you can write where is Mount Everest located. So here is the example of text AI, OpenAI in text Mount Everest, so you will get your answer accordingly. So now we'll see how image generation works in Chat GPT OpenAI. For this, you have to open this section of images and then click on playground. But before going to playground, you can see a look at here daily preview image in del E. So in here you will be writing an impressionist oil painting of sunflower in a purple vase. So it will work like an impressionate oil painted ivory eagle white and black way impression. So we will so now you see we will click on generate, and you can use these AIs for your website. You can use APIs to fetch and embed on your website for people to generate things like this. So you see we got impressionate oil painted angry eagle in white and black way. So this is Chat GPT OpenAI del E image. So how it works. So now for code compilation, have a quick view. We'll be looking at this one now. So for this, you have to go to playground, and in the playground, we'll be asking for write and liquid code to add top to back to top snippet. Okay, we will be modifying our query. Write and snippet code, write and snippet code in liquid to add back to top arrow for home page. So now you see we will be submitting this. Okay, so here you can see that we got a snippet code for an arrow, and you can also write here for instead of snippet, write an template, or you can also ask for write a section. So now it will look at the codes. Okay, the model preview completions and completion that begins with the stop sequence. Okay, so we'll be ending this with stop. So okay, actually we have to execute this, and you can do this. Okay, now it will write a section code for back to top button, a snippet code, section code for our liquid files. So here you can see we performed this successfully. You can also get HTML, CSS, JavaScript functions, anything that is in your mind and you are unable to do with this code. sections here. And for image generation, we already saw. And for fine tuning, we will see it later. But here for this search, okay, this helps great in organic SEO, blog writing, blog sections. Okay, now we will ask for right and tagline for how to use Chat GPT OpenAI for YouTube. For now, it will give us the answer. So you can also modify your questions. Unlock the power of YouTube with natural conversation. You can also modify it and you can get what results you are looking for. And for the last thing we got here is fine tuning. You can also use it for your own custom use case, like a higher quality results than prompt design. Ability to train are more examples that fit in prompt. And here in the playground, you see, you can ask for anything. Keep in mind, use good judgments when saving outputs. So here you see, this is a model. You can use all these models and for ChatGPT, and then in here you can also get the length. And just like this, let's have one big query here. Right, YouTube description for how to start Shopify drop shipping in 2023 full tutorial. So we will be asking for this thing. So now we'll see what we will get. You can also get the blogs and each and everything for your website. So you can also speak to text. You can also speak and it will generate the text. Just like here, you see, before this we'll be getting the results. So here you see we got the description for our YouTube. And yes, if you are speaker, and here how this works. Hello, Chat GPT. How are you? How are you doing? Hello, guys. Do subscribe our YouTube Ecom Premium on Google and everything. So now it's transcribing. So you see, it's everything we. So this is a good thing. You can own it and you can get use of it. So this is how everything works. If you like this tutorial, do subscribe us. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube, definitely. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.